After the repairability test over here, and based on the response of the shingles around it, we are opting to leave this as is, as this is reviewed, because if we start affecting these shingles, not only that, but we're going to get up into ridge cap, which is not included in the decision, the insurance decision, and all sorts of things. So we're going to reapply this as this is being reviewed until further notice. You can see, let's see, this is probably part of it if this was included, but you can see the tears here related to the leak. Tear right here, which should have been formerly documented, and this being blown up otherwise, and that's our leak hole right there. So we're going to reapply, nail back down this tarp while this is being reviewed, and we'll go from there.